Hello friends, today's 1 minute learning is about cough droplets. When we sneeze or cough, the mucus or air that comes out of our mouth is converted to small and tiny particles called droplets. Every time when a person sneezes or coughs, the number of droplets that comes out or gets divided is anywhere between 1 lakh to 10 lakh droplets. That is the reason for airborne diseases. If a person has COVID or any such airborne disease, those droplets are the reason for the other person to get affected. Though we have a vaccination within 2 years of finding out the COVID-19 disease, we still do not have a vaccination for one such airborne disease, that is tuberculosis, TB. Though the disease is present since thousands of years, there is no vaccination till now. Though it is curable, no vaccination. It is more dangerous than COVID. When a person sneezes, the droplets which falls on the ground, it is active. For COVID case, the droplets are active for 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, depending on the surface of the droplet where it falls. But the TB droplets or a person affected having TB, his sneeze or cough droplets are active for months together. So it is very dangerous. When a person sneezes or coughs, they usually keep their hand like this while coughing or sneezing. We do not know where the person touches their hand, on the doorknobs or handrails, etc. It is better to wash hands frequently, and while sneezing or coughing, do it like this. Like this. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment about this video in YouTube channel. Click on the like button if you have liked it. Put to use. Start knowing about the droplets, how to sneeze properly or how to prevent it. Wear masks and share this information with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for useful and important content on a regular basis, and click on the bell icon and select option all to not miss any updates from our channel. Thank you.